Saturday morning, day 6. Westcott Point, there is a little anchorage in there with a nice white sand beach. I went in there and I turned around and came out because just across the bay was this huge fish factory, and the noise was like, it sounded like a fire alarm that was in continuous operation. It was one of the most annoying sounds you could ever possibly imagine. I've already had one night ruined by one of those fish factories. It sounded like they were sending bodies through a wood chipper. It was just awful. It's only 3:30 in the afternoon, but there's something about British Columbia in the afternoon that the light is really subdued. It looks like it's evening time. These are some beautiful camping spots. I was feeling a little down and out this morning. I feel better now. I shaved, I changed my clothes, I burned some garbage on the beach. Sunny out and it's warm. It's very pleasant. I'm liking life right now. It is Monday, day 8. Here's my solar panel. A couple of little batteries. And so one of them's being charged. The other one's I've got a cigarette lighter receptacle plugged into it, and that I got this thing plugged into this cigarette lighter receptacle, and I am charging up my cell phone, which has been dead for almost a week now. It takes the sun to do this, and that's not a given around here. With some very nasty wave action. I'll be leaving bright and early in the morning to try to beat the wind, but it should only be blowing 15 knots when I get up in the morning, as opposed to the 25 knots it is now. This is what they call the Browning Passage. Right in through here and up there is what they call the Browning Wall. It's just like a vertical drop off into extreme deep water. And there's a ton of sea life right along there. Jacques Cousteau anchored around here. He called this place one of the top 5 diving places in the world. Despite a fog, it's cold, early morning, I don't feel good, I'm wet, just everything is rotten, but I made it, I'm here. Now there's what you want to avoid. Some sort of massive ship coming through the fog. I was just about to do a crossing of Golitas Channel, and I look over, and out of the fog appears a great big boat barreling down on me very fast. There's that boat. I'm not sure what it is.